Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is Morris from the Best Online Tutorials channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to create 3D mockups in Canva. Alright guys, so let's get started. Your first step would be to log into Canva, and I'll be showing you an example of a 3D mockup with animations. So this is a 3D mockup I designed on Canva, and I'll be showing you how to replicate something like this onto your platform or onto your canvas. All right, so your first step would be to simply head over to Canva Home, because once you open up Canva, you're dropped here. Make sure you're signed into your account. Head over to the home page and then click on Create. Now you can click on Create and then click on Video, and then scroll through and select a landscape, because animations are videos. So go ahead and select a video landscape of 1920 by 1080, or you could enter a custom size for yourself, and I'll just be sticking with this. So once you do that, it's going to open an untitled design. Let's go ahead and just remove this, and then I'll show you how to add an animation with a mockup inside. All right, so it's going to open like this on a blank canvas. And now all you need to do is quite simple. Just go ahead and click on elements once it opens up. And then where we have search elements, go ahead and type in 3D mockups. And a list of 3D mockups is going to come out. We have graphics, we have frames, we also have mockups. Now, if you click on see all, you get to see all the 3D mockups. And I went with this earlier. I went with something like this earlier. So let's just go ahead and select it and add it to our canvas. On adding the mockup, now all you need to do here is complete it by simply adding an image into these frame position. So head over to upload and then select an image and just include it. Or you could virtually drag and drop from your file explorer on your computer. Just simply drag and drop it here and it would reflect. So let's go ahead and drag this in and place it on top of the frame. All right, so once you have added the mockup or the image to the mockup, in order to animate, just go ahead and click on the 3D subject and then click on animate. You're going to see a list of animations you can use. Let's go over to page. You could simply use a simple animation like this. It looks a bit relaxed, laid back. But if you want proper animations, custom animations, you can click on photo, and then where we have create an animation, go ahead and click on it. Now, before this, let's just go ahead and drag this to the bottom so we can get a animation style and delete its path. And then from here, just go ahead and hold the shift key on your computer and then drag it in a straight line. As you can see, we're forming a straight line. And now we have the 3D subject coming out from the bottom. And then for the movement style, go ahead and set it to steady and then lower the speed so it's much slower and smoother. And then you can scroll on and add on and have add-on effects like rotate, flicker, pulse, wiggle, and then click on done, and then click on share at the top right, and then click on download, and then it's going to be set to MP4. So go ahead and download it in a good quality and you're done. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.